Ensuring that children maintain a healthy and balanced diet is crucial for their growth, development, and overall well-being. Here are 10 tips and tricks to help promote a healthy diet for children. Variety is key. Offer a diverse range of foods to ensure that children receive a broad spectrum of nutrients. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy or dairy alternatives in their diet. Limit sugary beverages. Encourage water as the primary beverage choice. Limit the consumption of sugary drinks like sodas and fruit juices, as excessive sugar intake can contribute to various health issues, including obesity. Healthy snack options. Provide nutritious snacks such as fresh fruits, vegetables with dips, yogurt, or whole grain crackers. Avoid overly processed snacks high in sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. Family meals. Aim for regular family meals, as they provide an opportunity for connection and modeling healthy eating habits. Eating together also allows parents to monitor children's food choices. Portion control. Teach children about portion sizes and encourage them to listen to their body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid pressuring them to finish everything on their plate if they're not hungry. Incorporate whole grains. Choose whole grain options for bread, cereals, rice, and pasta. Whole grains provide essential nutrients and fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting satiety. Get creative with vegetables. Make vegetables more appealing by incorporating them creatively into meals. Try adding veggies to smoothies, making colorful salads, or including them in pasta sauces or omelets. Limit fast food and processed foods. Minimize the consumption of fast food and heavily processed foods, which are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and additives. Opt for homemade meals whenever possible. Encourage healthy cooking. Involve children in the kitchen to foster an appreciation for healthy cooking. Let them participate in meal planning, grocery shopping, and simple food preparation activities. Be a positive role model. Children are more likely to adopt healthy eating habits if they see their parents and caregivers practicing them. Be a positive role model by making nutritious food choices and demonstrating a healthy relationship with food. Remember, it's essential to consult with a pediatrician or a registered dietitian for personalized advice based on a child's individual needs, especially if there are specific health concerns or dietary restrictions. Developing healthy eating habits early in life lays the foundation for a lifetime of well-being.